up, guys? I came to pick up my part at Honda of Houston. Part for my motorcycle, the turn signal and all that, assembly switch at Honda of Houston. Check out these bikes. These are some nice bikes, man. Wow. Just got my part. This is the assembly for the switch. The little box it came in. Cool, that's what I thought. This is the assembly that I just picked up for the turn signal and everything. But they didn't include a screw. Can you believe that? I paid $60 something and they didn't include a screw. No screw in the box, nothing. So first things first, I'm unscrewing this bolt's right here, and this one on the other side. Now I just gotta follow this wire, see where it leads. It leads in this one, this one, boom, assembly's free. Now the assembly's free, I can take it off from the handlebars. So let's do that next. Let's this is in the way. So we gotta untwist the clutch handle things. Right here, the thing that holds it is just an Allen wrench. There's that screw that I'm talking about that I wish that they would have included. What if I didn't have this screw? I would have to go to Home Depot and try to find the right screw and take time. And it's like, if I would have bought this used, it would have probably came with the screw. But since I bought it new, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna buy it new, pick it up. This is the screw that I'm talking about. Thought these were like in there. Now literally these are just plugs. You just gotta, I guess, pull them. It's made it so much easier. Wow, that's awesome. It's like you just, get this out the way first. Looks like you just press down on this. Oh man, that was super easy. The assembly is finally taken off. You can see where I try to do my own little wiring, hot wiring and all that stuff, but just this switch when I fell just wasn't working. Installing the new assembly. I don't understand why they didn't include the screw. Alright, well, I guess we're riding back to Honda Houston to get this one little screw. Did I tell you guys? I told you.
Yeah, I do not have those screws in stock. Let me see if anybody pops up on my locator.
Okay.
Texas Power Sports in Pasadena is the only dealer in the Houston area to even show.
No, go ahead.
It is just a 5 by 20 millimeter.
Okay, alright, I'm on my way.
Alright,
thank you, sir. I so hope they have it. This is the one that Ace Hardware gave me. It's a little bit bigger than this one, but they're the same size. So I'm hoping it'll work, or at least until Honda sends me this one. Boom. Alright, now we wire everything back up how it was. Here. Ooh. Back. 'Cause I'm back in black. Alright. Cover that up. Put that back in here. Right signal's on. Left signal. High beam, low beam. Yeah, it works again. On the back is working. Bit. Beep. Peel that back. So you could align it with the metal plate, and then you just push it in. Boom, that's it, you're done. There you have it, guys. Please comment, subscribe, share. Yeah, thank you for watching my video.